Today I'm going to give you a lesson on burping. Now you may have seen the video of Dr. Pepper, which was made right before this video. Dr. Pepper is a good drink to get you a good burp. Breathe in. You could get a good burp with this. I haven't burped so well with any other drink than Dr. Pepper. I talk about it a lot because it's my favorite drink and it gives you good burps.
Because it's free.
If you would like more lessons on burping, then just comment this video or something. Or if you know who I am, then you know me.